A container contains a mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 2:3. 20 liters of the mixture is replaced with same quantity of milk. The respective ratio of milk and water now becomes 4:1. Find the initial quantity of the mixture in the container in liters. So we are given that the ratio of milk and water is 2:3. So let's say milk is 2x and water is 3x. Now from this mixture, 20 liters of mixture is replaced with same quantity of milk. So first of all, we are taking out 20 liters from this mixture. So in this 20 liters, the ratio of milk and water will be 2:3 as well, because we are taking out from the same mixture, right? So let's first find out how much milk and how much water is taken out. So milk is 2 parts out of total 5 parts in this 20 liters. So 5 4s are 20 and 4 2s are 8. So 8 liters of milk is taken out. So water here will be obviously 20 minus 8, 12 liters. So we had 2x milk. From this 8 liters is taken out. So now we are left with this 2x minus 8. We have 3x water. From that 12 liters is taken out. So we are left with 3x minus 12 water. And now we are replacing it with same quantity of milk. So we had 20 here. Now this is the new ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. The respective ratio of milk and water now becomes 4:1. So that means this ratio is 4:1. So this ratio is same as this ratio, right? So I can write it as 2x minus 8 plus 20 gives me plus 12 upon 3x minus 12 is equals to 4/1. Now we have an equation here. Let's solve this and get the value of x. So this one goes on the left hand side. So we get 2x plus 12 is equals to this 3x minus 12 goes on the right hand side and get multiplied with 4. So we get 4 3s are 12x minus 48. 12 plus this 48 gives me 60, and 12x minus this 2x will give me 10x. 0 0 gone. So we get the value of x, which is 6. Question is asking us, find the initial quantity of mixture in the container. So initial quantity was 2x milk plus 3x water. So initial quantity is 2x plus 3x, 5x, and now we know that x is 6. So 5 into 6 will give me 30, and this is our required answer. Here option A is the correct one.